Hey, good morning. Happy Saturday. Huh? Again, I cannot hear. Hey, I cannot hear. Hey. Uh-huh. Good morning. Hey. Say it again. Hi. Hey. Good morning. Huh? Again, say it properly. Good morning. How are you today? I'm good. Are you still sleepy? No? Okay. Let's drink milk. Let's drink milk. Do you like milk? Yes. Okay. All right. So then,
Cheers.
you will drink juice. Okay, teacher Mel will drink milk. Look, milk. Yeah, milk. Okay, cheers. 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 Okay, let's drink. Okay, drink. What are you drinking?
Water.
I'm drinking water. Complete sentence.
Water.
Yes, you're drinking water. Okay. And now, okay, let's let's open the class. Wait a minute. Oh, share screen. And then here, what is the lesson of Hehe? Let's check it out. What is this? Can you say finding the way?
Away.
Again, finding the way. Open your mouth.
Away.
Finding the way.
Away. Away.
Finding, no, not finding a way. No, finding the way. The.
The way.
Yes, that's right. Okay. And what are these words again? Train.
Rain. Tail. Snail.
Faster. Train, rain, tail, snail.
Rain. Rain. Tail. Snail.
Snail, one more. Train,
Rain.
rain,
Tail.
tail.
Snail.
Yes, okay. Next, what is this? Sail, mail, chain, reel.
Sail. Mail. Tail. Snail.
Again, sail, mail, chain.
Sail. Mail. Tail. Rail.
Yes, chain. This one is chain, chain. Chain. Okay, that's chain. And so can you circle the train, circle the tail. Can you try? Where is the train? Try it. Okay, that's the train. Where's the tail? Oh, the tail is this one. Yeah, tail. So, look at this one. This is what is that? The train. The tail. Where's the snail? Circle the snail. Yeah. Snail. Where's the snail? Circle the snail. Where is, okay. Okay, yes, that is the snail. Where's the mail, Robin? Mail. Okay, cool. Easy? Easy. Say yes, it's easy.
Easy.
Okay, here, let's practice reading. Okay, listen first to Teacher Merle. Okay, listen to me. 6 slimy snails sailed silently in the rain.
6 David were silent sitting in the rain.
6 slimy snails. Again.
Silent in the rain.
6 slimy. Again. 6 slimy
Silent.
snails.
No.
Sailed. Let me make it bigger. Okay. Look at this. 6 slimy snails sailed silently in the rain. One more.
Silent silent in the rain.
Okay, that's better. This one is silently. Silent. Silently. This one, look.
6 slimy snails sailed silently in the rain.
One more. Try it. 6. One more. 6 slimy. Slimy.
In the rain.
Yes, 6 slimy snails. Okay. Silently in the rain. Okay, what about here? Next, copy. Next. Oh no. Let's talk. Okay. Oh, do you remember this? What is this?
Means
It's
left, right, middle.
yes, left, right, middle. Very good. And what about this one?
Road, straight, turn.
Yes, road, straight, turn. And here, read.
And that we can find a hill like grass. Oh, no, Grandma
We
will use the map on the phone.
good. Okay, all right. So grandma, look, grandma is afraid, okay? They cannot find the way. Yeah, but Timmy said, Grandma, don't worry. We can use, okay, the map on your phone. Do you have a phone, Hehe? Do you have a
Grandma, yes, I have 2 phones.
I do have a
My mom is one for my dad is one for 2.
Oh, very good. My mom has one phone. My dad has one phone too. Yeah, but Hehe don't have a phone. Yeah, I'll give you a phone. You like a phone?
No.
No, you don't like phones? Here, I'll give you 1, 2. How many phones do you like?
0.
I'll give you 4 phones. Do you like 4 phones? 1, 2, 3, and 4.
I want 8.
You want? What do you want?
8.
8 phones? Okay. I'll buy you soon, okay? All right, that's cool. So we can find the map using the phone. Okay. Map. Map. Map.
My car is have a map.
Your phone has a map?
No,
What?
the car have the map.
Oh, yes. Yeah, that's right. The
I have.
you have. Okay. That's the Waze. Yeah. Okay, that's right. That's right. Very good. And say, what does the
What the map said? It said we have to walk right down this road to the hospital.
Yes, so what does the map say? It says we have to walk straight down this road to the hospital. Look at the map here, okay? So they are going here to the hospital and they are here right now, okay? Yeah, they're going down straight the road. So straight means straight this. Wait, let's change color. Red. Here. They're going here. Okay? Where are they going? Where are they going?
Oh, well, go to the home.
They're going to the hospital.
I go to the home myself.
You will? You go home? What's that again? You're going home yourself? Alone? Really? You can go home alone? Yeah? Do you ride a motorbike or do you drive a car?
Bike
I
to
ride
the night. To the night.
again. I ride the.
I ride a bike myself to the tonight.
You will ride your bike tonight. Did you say yeah? Is that what you mean? Wait. That's here. I will. Is this what you mean? I will ride my bike tonight. Is it this one?
Yes.
Oh, where are you going tonight? Where will you go tonight?
I play with my friend.
Okay, I will play with my friends. Again, read this sentence.
I will ride my bike. I will play with my friend.
Yes, okay, there. So that's your first sentence, okay? Practice that. And next, let's continue. Is it next? Go, Is it next to the hospital? Read.
It is better than obstacle.
Oh.
No, we have to turn right at the obstacle and what to the library.
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 Yes. Okay, so they have to turn right at the hospital and walk to the
No, I don't know how to obstacle. I play with my turn, 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 turn left and down.
You will turn where?
Straight, turn right, turn left, and go to straight and turn right, and then go to the play. Oh no, I play
I
straight turn left, turn right, and turn left out of gravity. I'm sure. And then I got to the lake.
Yeah, you're going to the lake or the playground?
Kick,
You're going where? Playground?
kick, kick, kick,
Huh?
that kick.
That kick. Okay. Where do you? Okay, one more. I will go straight
Right,
to the right. I will go to the right and turn.
right, right. To the right.
Yes, I will. Okay, wait. I will turn right and then
Right,
right again. I will go turn right and then
or straight.
go straight. Okay, very good.
Go straight.
Go straight to the
Now I go to the left.
and then turn left. Oh, okay. Turn
No,
left.
turn the front.
Turn right
Okay.
again.
First right. Right. First right.
I will. Oh, look at this one. I will turn right and then go straight and turn. What is the next thing you have to do?
Right.
And turn right and then next. And that's the playground already. Right. Okay, look. I will turn right and then straight and turn right and then come on. And then go. Continue. Hehe.
I will turn right and then
Straight.
go straight and go right.
And I will see the playground.
Yeah.
Ah, wow. Okay, so that's really fun. I will turn right, then go straight, and turn right. No! I will turn right and go straight, and turn right again to see,
Yeah.
turn right again to reach the playground. Oh, can you read this one for me?
Oh, to the left. I will turn right and go straight and
To reach the
I
playground.
will turn right at first and turn right again to the left around.
Okay, there. All right. And what did Timmy say? We turn left
Reaching left
at the
at the library and walk to the park. A trailer is in the middle of the park. Very good, Timmy.
Very good, Tehe. That's the right way to read. So, now look at this. Which bird is turning left? Can you circle the bird that is turning left? Where is it? Where is it? That's the bird turning left, and the bird turning right. Which bird is in the middle of the road? Middle of the road. Okay, that is right. 3 correct answers. Hehe, very good. Look at this one. Next. Oops. Okay. This one. What does the map say?
What the picture said. He said that it had to the walk to the hospital.
Okay, we have to walk to the hospital. We have to go straight, but you have to turn left or turn right. What should you do? We have to walk. Where's that? Here. We have to, where's that part? Straight. This one. Where? What is that? It says we have to, what's that? We have to walk straight down the road to the hospital. Okay. What about you, Hehe? Do you know how to go to your school? Yeah?
I don't know. I don't know.
I don't know how to go to the hospital. Yeah? Say it again. I don't know how to go to the hospital. Yes, how to go to the hospital. Okay. And what about here? What can be the question of Timmy? It says
It says
we have to walk
we have to walk
straight down the road to the park. So the question here is, what does
walk
the map say? Yeah, what does the map say? Okay.
What does this map say? It
Yes,
says that we have
to
to
walk
go straight
down the road to
and
the park.
go to the park.
Yeah, okay. And do you know north, south, west, east? Not yet. Okay, there. So okay, here. Uh-huh. And so my question for you, have you this one?
1. Have you ever been lost somewhere?
Yeah?
No,
No? Okay, so you say no. Yeah. Have you ever been lost somewhere?
no,
No. Okay, I have never been lost before. Can you read this one? Read this one. No.
walk
Here. No, no.
and lost. You ever been lost somewhere? Have you ever been lost somewhere?
Yes. So you say this one. No, I have never been lost before.
No, I been lost before.
Yes, okay. And what is in front of your house? What is in front of your house? Is it a tree, a house? What's in front of your house? It's Is it a tree? Is it
House.
a house? Okay. Say it again. In front of our house is another house. Okay. This one. Can you read this one? In front of our house
We have our of
is
our house is
another
house.
another house. Okay. What is on the left side and right side of your house?
And then
You don't know?
the house.
So in front is a house. What's the left side of your house and what's the right side of your house?
The house.
Or you can say it's our neighbors' houses. Neighbors houses. This one. All right. So let's check again. Can you read this one for me? Say it's our neighbor.
What is on the left side? Left side of your house is our neighbor houses.
Okay. And my next question, is your school near or far from your house?
I don't know.
You don't know? This one. Copy.
Only have one.
Is
Only
your
have two.
but is it near or far?
Near.
Okay, our school is near from our house. Yeah. Do you go to school by motorbike or car? Or do you walk?
Motorbike.
Okay, I go to school by motorbike. Who drives you to school?
Mother.
My mom drives me.
My school it's some. Now I finished. Now I to the school.
So mommy drives you using the motorbike going to your school? Yeah? Oh, okay. And your school is near your house or far? Again?
Near.
Near. Okay. Do you know how to go to your school just by you? Now?
Yes.
Oh, I can go to school alone. Alone. Okay. All right. But today you're not going to school because it's Saturday, right? Yeah.
Oh.
Yes. And
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday.
Saturday and Sunday. Okay.
No.
Ah,
I'm going to the school of Saturday and Sunday.
okay, yes. So have a happy weekend, my dear. You did another amazing job with Teacher Merle. So easy, right? You can do it. I'm so proud of you. You can answer questions. You can say the words, but more practice, okay? All right? Okay, and Teacher Merle will see you again on Monday. You be a good
Boy.
boy. Always be a good boy. Give me one high five. High five. Okay. Eat your breakfast, okay? Yeah? Yes. And say thank you to mom and dad. Bye for now. Hey, hey.